Yo, quick warning before you buy a used car in 2026. Some of these cars look like a deal, but they'll straight up wreck your wallet. I'm talking constant repairs, insane shop bills, and regret every time you turn the key. Here are 5 used cars Americans should never buy in 2026, no matter how good the price looks.
Number 5. Ford Focus, 2012 to 2018. Alright, first up, the Ford Focus. If it's from 2012 to 2018, just walk away. That power shift transmission? Absolute trash. Hard shifts, slipping gears, stalling at stoplights, and then boom. Ford of $5,000 just to fix it. Ford got sued over this thing, but guess who still pays? You. In 2026, buying this car is asking for pain. Next.
Number 4. Jeep Renegade. This one looks tough, but don't let the Jeep badge fool you. The Renegade is full of electrical gremlins. Dash lights popping on for no reason, engine issues, transmission problems, the whole mess. And repairs? Yeah, not cheap. If you want a small SUV in 2026, this ain't it. Number 3. Nissan Altima, 2013 to 2020. Let's talk about the Altima. It's everywhere, and that's the problem. Nissan's CVT transmission is a straight-up gamble. No warning, no mercy. One day it drives fine, next day you're calling a tow truck. Replacement cost? $4,000 or more. Buying a used Altima in 2026 is like playing roulette with your savings. Number 2. Chevy Trax, 2015 to 2021. The Chevy Trax is cheap, and now you know why. Weak engine, cheap interior, and reliability that falls apart fast. People deal with turbo failures, oil leaks, suspension issues, all before it even hits high mileage. It's slow, it's cramped, and it's annoying on the highway. Hard pass. Number 1. Older BMW 5 Series. This is the king of fake bargains. Yeah, it looks clean. Yeah, it feels nice. But maintenance on these things is brutal. Oil leaks, cooling system failures, electrical problems, and every repair hits different when the bill shows up. If you can't afford a new BMW, you definitely can't afford a used one in 2026. Listen, a cheap car can turn into the most expensive mistake you make. Before you buy, check the reliability history, the transmission, and the repair costs, because the dealer ain't gonna warn you. If this video saved you some cash, smash that like button. Subscribe for honest car talk, no hype, no dealership nonsense, and drop a comment. Which car burned you the worst?